Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11, 4 easy fixes. First method is change time settings. Second method is reset and repair store. Third method is WS reset. Fourth method is run PowerShell command. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.